Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your PC's crash and error history. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open the run prompt just by clicking on Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you have to search for perform perfmon space slash REL. Be very careful that if you type it wrong, you won't be able to reach there. Now, once you go to this, here you can see in the reliability monitor, it has generated the crash history of your system over the last couple of days. You can check for the weeks as well. Here you can see all the crash reports that are available for you to access is has been generated right there that you can use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.